I got sent out these picture frames for review, and let me tell you what I love about them. First of all, they arrived in a very tidy and protected way. The open tabs are super easy to set up on the back and adjust the picture in, as you can see. It took matter of seconds to remove the back part. So in this case, they fit a 5 by 7 picture frame with the mat, or if you prefer to remove the mat, you can fit a picture frame of 8 by 10 inches. The glass, it's very nice as well, and the wood frame, it is very sturdy and gives it an awesome look to the picture. You can showcase your photos on a table if you wish, using the easel on the back like this. Also, it has an adjustable hanger for you to display your portraits on your wall if that is the best way for you. To install them on your wall, they come with everything you need. You just need a hammer and set them up on your wall. They have them in three different colors: natural wood, black wood, and this one, which is brown wood.